welcome back. I thought today would be a fun day to just make a nice, cozy, rainy day vlog because this past week was crazy. And I also want to read because Two Twisted Crowns by Rachel Gillig came out this most recent Tuesday on October 17th, and I managed to snag one of the first copies from Libby. Like, I had my eyes trained on my phone all morning at work, waiting for the notification that that Libby got in copies, and I was lucky enough to snag one of the first copies. So I definitely want to make a dent in that today. I'm only about 10% into the story. I feel like I have gone back home. My review for One Dark Window, which is the prequel to Two Twisted Crowns, is up on my blog if you want to read that, if you want to read my thoughts on that, see if maybe you agree, disagree. I will have it linked below as always. And yeah, I also wanted to mention I went to H Mart this morning. I braved the rain because I was like, it's raining and I have no dumplings. I have no ramen. I can't make soup later because who doesn't like soup on a cold, rainy day? And if you also understand the soup reference, then welcome. But I found sour cream and onion turtle chips. I am such a simp for sour cream and onion anything. And these are very dangerous. They're very good. They're very good, but they're very dangerous. So I'm probably gonna munch on those. Definitely gonna read for a bit. It's so cozy. I will say I don't appreciate the fact that it's been raining every weekend for the last I want to say since like early September, maybe the weekend after Labor Day weekend, maybe like mid-September. I feel like it's just been raining every weekend and I'm just like I'm kind of getting tired of it because Monday to Friday when I'm too busy with work to like enjoy the outdoors, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. But then the weekend rolls around and I muster up a little bit of energy to do things and it's downpouring and I'm just like, what did we do to deserve this? I don't know, but I'm gonna go read because I keep saying I'm gonna go read, and if I say I'm gonna go read one more time, I'm gonna have to like slap myself on your behalf for just repeating myself and being annoying. So let's get cozy. I read about 25%. I'm about a quarter way into the book, and I actually really like it a lot more than I thought I was going to. There are multiple point of views this book, and I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it because I know a lot of times there are multiple point of views, and I'm just like, what's the point? I originally wanted to finish the book by tomorrow evening, Sunday evening, but I don't think that's gonna happen because I wanted to have my review out on Tuesday, but it is what it is. If I finish, I'll probably finish the book by Tuesday, and then I'll just publish my review a little bit later in the week. It is what it is. I think sometimes I get too in my head and I get a little bit, not OCD, but like I get a little bit of like that perfectionism, whatever. I want to be a perfectionist about it, but it is what it is. I can just do my best and not stress out about it. Been in the mood to watch Practical Magic, but I'm also not in the mood to watch Practical Magic. Last night we watched Coraline. We got takeout and watched Taskmaster, and then my boyfriend was like, "We should put on a spooky movie," and I was like, "All right, which one?" So we rented Coraline. Um, but anyways, I'm hungry. Let's go. Let's go make lunch. I say things like 10 times before I actually just do them. So I know I said spooky movie, but hear me out. I kind of want to watch Gilmore Girls. I like to rewatch Gilmore Girls every fall, like every other basic Gilmore Girls fan. I haven't started my rewatch yet, primarily because last year or the year before, I did a rewatch in the spring and it felt kind of weird. And then when I did a rewatch in the fall, I watched all the way through. But I kind of just want to watch the early seasons, maybe to like season 3. I think I'm ready. I'm ready to watch Gilmore Girls. It is such a comfort show, if I'm being honest. And I don't really like to rewatch shows, but I think if I'm gonna rewatch a show, it should be Gilmore Girls.